Oops. Hiya. So I got these car sun visors. You have to excuse the mess. I am currently in the middle of tidying up. Little man is on the floor and he's going to his grandma's, his nanny's, sorry, in a minute. So I thought I'd get this video done because these are actually going to go with Nanny in her car. So I got, it's a pack of 2. And it's just to block out the sun a little bit when little man is sat in his car seat in the car. It's mesh, like netting stuff, with a wire running all the way around, and it comes with these suction cups here that you, bear with me, that you obviously lick or wet and stick to the window, and they just go through the sun visor through this little hole here. Should be easy. There you go, it just goes straight through, so that you've got your little handle on the back ready for when you're going to pull them off. So let's put this on my main window so that you can see what they will look like. They're quite big. There you go. That's it on my flat window. Oh, this one's got a rip in, so I'm actually going to have to ask for a refund on that one. So yeah, it just looks like it's come away a little bit there, look, from the seams. Let's see. Sorry, this video is really dark, isn't it? Oh god, I'm dropping it now. So yeah, it looks like it has just come away from this bit here. So I should get a picture of that and send it back, send it to them and get a refund. The other one is perfectly fine. I mean, I think I could easily stitch that one up. It will do for now. It doesn't affect the use of it too much. It's just a little disappointing. I mean, they were only like £2, I think. So I got them really cheap anyway. So that is those. And as I said, they're going to go in the back of a nanny's car for little man. So anyway, I'm going to go because he's meant to be getting picked up at 11 and it is 10:50. And I also have a lot of tidying to do. So yeah, I mean, I think these are good. Apart from obviously this little tear here. But for £2, you can't really go wrong, can you? So awesome. There's my partner's socks on the floor. What a messy little bugger he is. Yeah. So that's that. I shall see you guys soon. Peace.